Alright, so hey y'all, this is super quick. I'm gonna put on some music. So this is going to be a super quick insert that I'm creating for my planner. Let me make sure I'm live on YouTube before I start, because that'll be terrible if I'm not. There we go. Okay, so we are live at 5. So this is going to be a super quick insert that I'm making for my planner because I was trying to organize information and I was like, let me just make an insert. So this is for my business planner from yesterday, and I'm going to design in real time, at least as best as I can. So here we go. And this is like super fast. So I want to do a 3 by 13. Let me see, number of rows. I need 3 rows. No, I need, let me see, 13 rows. No, 14 rows, and I need 3 columns. Okay, so we have the insert here, and I'm gonna, this is pretty much all gonna be as even as possible, I think. So let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this one, and then this is going to be the title. Okay, here we go. So the title of this insert is going to be, let's see, what am I doing? Oh, there it is, the title. And I'm going to call this my design schedule. And the reason I'm making all these typos is because I don't have on my glasses and I don't want to go upstairs to find them because I'm being lazy. But it's okay. So, and I'm going to use the same font that I've been using because I like this font, this Playfair font. Okay, we're going to make it a little bit larger. There we go, and put it in the center. Okay, so I'm going to make a design schedule because it'll be really cool. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be designing is going to be my releases for, actually no, let me not do this, I'll just do this. Golden Goddess Co. for my shop. And then the second release is going, the second column is going to be my planner of the month that I'm doing, MONTH. And the last one is going to be my insert of the month. I don't really look. Okay, and let me zoom in because you literally cannot see a thing. I'm blind as a bat. Okay, hey Piatra. So this one is just, like I said, really quick. I'm on my planning break for work, but I was trying to work on my release calendar. I'll talk through it, might as well. I'm working on my release calendar for like my shop and things like that. And I was like, how am I even organizing this information? So I wanted to create this super cool insert. Let me see, design good. And honestly, what I'll do is I'll put shop. There we go. So my shop, my planner of the, no, I'm gonna put my name. Might as well, it's mine. So my design schedule, the shop, the planner of the month. So when I do my inserts, those will go there. And then my insert of the month club, so I'll know when those are going up. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna add my branding to the bottom because, actually let me do this because this is my, we'll do that. And we'll go to master pages and edit master page, scroll to the bottom and paste. Here we go. And I normally put my website. Why did I delete it just to put it back is because I wanted the font. So I'll put that there, close master page. Okay, there we go. And then this needs to be all caps as well. I just like the all caps look for some reason today. Actually, gotta do small cap. No, all caps. There we go. Design schedule, my shop, my planner of the month, and then my insert of the month club. And then that way I can plan it out. So, yeah. And then let me see if this will work. How I'm thinking. Because I don't think it will, if I'm being honest. No. That's not what we want. We want, align. That's right. No, text direction. So he's doing all of it. I just want this one cell to change. But are those my only options? Size, layout. There we go. So, January. Oh, Lord. Okay. So, February, March. No. There we go. April, May, June, July, September, October, November, December. Okay. So then we're going to do text direction, and we want to go to there we go. Awesome. And then we want them in the center. Oh, no, not that. This, there. There we go, the center. And then we also want them to be the correct font. And then can we make them bold so they'll stick out? Yeah. And then for the boxes, I'm going to do a thick bottom border. Okay. And then here, I'm going to go back to the half, and I'm going to just do, not bottom, I want to do insides. Insides only. And then here, bottom and, oh Jesus, bottom and right. There we go. Bottom and right. And here is bottom. And I'll leave it. There we go. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do with this insert is now I can write down what I'm releasing in my shop. So for instance, if I want to release a fitness planner in my shop, then I know I can do that for January, which I didn't do. But my planner of the month was my vertical planner, and then the insert of the month was the yearly calendar. So that way I can keep track of all of my inserts on one page, right? And then also, so I'm going to do that for me, and I'm going to do file duplicate, and then I will delete the tops. And then now you can write whatever you want in here. So you could do like sales and promotions. You could do, so I could do like social media focus. I can do my marketing focus, and then I could do my, let me see, social media marketing, and then what else could go here? Social media marketing, networking. There we go. And then file, insert, duplicate page. And then now we could just keep it blank. You know, and so that way you can, yeah. And then for the blanks, I could do currently designing shop releases, currently designing shop releases, and then future projects, you know, so that way I can keep track of what I'm currently designing in my shop, what I released, and my future projects. And then eventually, so like if I'm currently designing, like in January, I'm designing Black History Month stuff. I'm designing that in January, but that'll be released in February. Or like in my case, I'm gonna release I'm working on a fitness planner in January, but that fitness planner won't be released till March. So if I know it's released in March, so I can go here and say, okay, for my marketing and promotion, I'm gonna be talking about fitness and, you know, self-care while being a shop owner in March. So that way I can do that, and then I can mark it on this calendar so I know. So that's something that I really wanted to do. And then I'm going to do insert and then do a blank one. Insert, duplicate, and then I'll do a blank one. And then with the blank one, I can write whatever I want on it. There we go. So that's done. File and print. Okay. And then I will post these in my shop if you want them. Obviously, I won't post this one because you don't, you know, need my name on it. But I will post the social media marketing and networking. I'll post currently designing shop releases, future projects, and I'll post the blank one. So that way you can put whatever you want in it. You know? This is what I wanted. And then I'm going to print it on a 2 first. So I'll do double-sided. Okay. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is my design process. Like when I'm actually designing something, I was marking in my planner and I was like, you know what? There's a better way to do this. And if you don't have an insert, create an insert. That is the best way to get practice with inserts, is just make your own. Just make your own. Something I wanted to mention as far as like designing that someone asked me is about the sidebar. So how you insert a different color sidebar is you first think. So I'm thinking, and I know that my sidebar margin is a 1/2 inch. So my height is going to be 9 1/4 inches because that's the length of the height of the paper, and the width is going to be 0.5 inches because that is my sidebar. Okay, so I'm gonna align this at the corner of the page, at the corner of happy and healthy, and then from here I can put whatever I want. So if it's like a collection and you have a certain paper that you want to use, you could just go to shape fill and then do picture from file, and then I'm gonna use, let's say okay, let's go back to, y'all know what I'm gonna use. I don't even know why I'm playing. Where are my brush strokes? I need to move the folder because they're lost. Where are my brush strokes? Oh, I'll use leopard. No, I want brush strokes. This is why I keep it here. It is. So what I'm going to do is here and cut. And then I'm going to put it in the folder that I go to because I'm always looking for it in this folder. So I'm going to just drop it in there. Okay, brush strokes. And let's just use these pink and white ones. And outline and no outline. So that's what it looks like when you just insert it. And you see how it's all distorted? I don't like that either. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert the picture real quick. Sometimes it distorts it and sometimes it doesn't. So here we go. And let's say we're going to insert this one. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that it's big enough. So I'm going to drag it so it's big enough. And then I'm going to just crop it down. So I'm going to crop it to 9.25 and my width is going to be 0.5 inches. No. Okay. Time to do Old Faithful. I was trying to be fancy. But we're just going to just drag it into place. Uh-oh, I moved it. There we go. And now we have our sidebar. So you can do this for each and every insert, or what you can do is, let me see, Control X. And then if you go to insert and then go to page design, master pages. And what master pages are is every page is going to look like this. So that's why I put my branding on master pages. But you want every page to look like this, right? So I wanted to have this sidebar and I wanted to have this tag on the bottom. When you close it and you go back, now every page will have that branding on it. So this is really good. Like if you make a monthly calendar or you make collections and you just want to change the sidebar, then, you know, then do that for master pages. But I don't want this on there because I just don't want it. So what I'm going to do is go back to master pages, edit, and then just delete it because I don't want it on there. I want it to be, you know, nice, crisp, and clean. So yeah, that's pretty much it. File and print it on my, where is it, my HP DeskJet, and it'll print like this. And I want it to print on both sides, flip on long edge, so it's back to back. One thing I like about designing in Publisher is that it'll automatically print on both sides of the page. So I'm gonna mark this. And then also someone asked about the inside lines because you don't see them. If you zoom in, they're there. See, they're there if you zoom in, but I like to look at the overview of it, and some lines are missing at the overview. Okay. Missing have any questions? Nope. All right, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will see you